We have been through several developments in the past, and the latest is artificial intelligence. On the one hand, artificial intelligence, the so-called generative artificial intelligence, has become very beneficial. All of us are very excited about ChatGPT and Bard and so on. It has reduced our work in considerable manner, and the opportunities are limitless. Every day, they're adding new features to all these technological improvements. But the challenge is for the young people to keep up with these changes. On the one hand, these are all very beneficial to mankind. On the other hand, there is a fear that world will end because of artificial intelligence. So the range is a lot. But this has become a political issue because the United Nations Security Council is meeting to think about the threat from artificial intelligence and to make regulations. So we have to be prepared for a lot of changes in the next few years, if not months. It is with this purpose of educating the people about the emerging technologies is that LOR and ED has organized a 10-day workshop, and this will be inaugurated on the 26th September at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I'll have the privilege of inaugurating it. This all seems to be in the family because the main speaker is my son, whose mission in life now is to propagate the message that there is something called Non-scaryAI. So, because he felt that there is too much of scare about it, and therefore he is trying to domesticate us to the technology, not to be afraid, but to learn to use it appropriately. And this course has been designed very carefully with all the AI tools that you need to master. And for young people, this is absolute compulsory. It is not an option that you learn or not to learn. So I'm very happy that this is being organized, and it is for 10 days. And maybe when you come out of those 10 days, you will be able to be more comfortable with artificial intelligence and also learn to use it effectively in all our endeavors. So Sreenivasan has been a professor in the Columbia University, journalism professor. Later, he became the chief digital officer of very many big organizations, and now he runs a company called DG Mentors. And he's a kind of freelancer in the sense that he can do what he likes to do with this development. And it is this way that he has chosen to be a messenger of artificial intelligence around the world. So I'm glad that he has been able to find some time for us, and I'm sure you will benefit from it. So I hope the workshop will be fully subscribed, and it will be put to great use by the youngsters, and that will encourage the organizers to even organize more of these workshops. So I wish the organizers and all the participants all the very best. Thank you.